Insalata di campagna. So we had that wonderful goulash, plenty, and a great country salad will be just perfect with that. So, boiled potatoes. Part of the ingredients are boiled and cooked, and part of them are raw. So let's put the boiled potatoes. And you want little potatoes like this, bliss potatoes. You cut them in half, in quarter, whatever you think. And then cauliflower. I parboil the cauliflower, and I like kind of the rosettes, and I love the leaves. Any green leaves that you have in the cauliflower, always use it. You chop it up like that, and voila. And the rest, just kind of break it right into here in little florets. Let me just put all of this out here. That's it. This is the nice side. This, I need to cut a little bit. Let me see. I think I have enough cauliflower here. So now let's go to radishes in quarters. Let's see. Yeah, I like radishes. They're nice and crunchy. Onions. A little bit of diced onions in here. Onions are always good in a salad. Diced apples. The skin, just wash it well and then dice it. I think some provola cheese, and you know, you could put cheese, you don't have to put cheese, and again, you can always alter the vegetables. Let me just cut it. This piece of provola will suffice. Let's dice it. Some walnuts, and again, you can put almonds, you can put walnuts, whatever. I don't like them too small. I just kind of break them up a little bit because I like a nice chunk of the nut, you know, instead of those little kind of crumbly sizes. I think that's enough. So I'm looking at this. We need some salt, maybe some fresh pepper. Some oil, some cider vinegar, apple cider, and let's see how this. So you can see that it's a very nutritious salad. Certainly, this also could be a great lunch sometimes, if you feel like it. Certainly, an antipasto. It is great for a buffet table. And it doesn't have any leaves that will wilt on you. This can stay on the buffet table. So let me taste the dressing. It's perfect. Let me put just a little bit of parsley. And you want to put the parsley the last minute because the parsley will wilt and change color with the acidity. So you give it a good tossing, and this is a salad. The flavors of the dressing will seep in. So now you make the presentation. And I guess, you know, just leaving it in a nice rustic bowl. It's perfect, just like that. And voila, you're ready for your salad. Beautiful country salad.